Day 2 of the new year. On tonight's episode, we're gonna draw Eon. For the information that I want to shed on him, Eon started out as a movie-exclusive character for the movie Ben 10 Race Against Time. Later, he got his reappearance on Ben 10 Ultimate Alien and was beaten by Ben and Ben 10,000, otherwise known as Ultimate Ben. Awesome, isn't it? And get this, after that, Eon got his third debut on Ben 10 Omniverse, where Ben ended up swapping bodies. Yeah, Ben actually swapped bodies with his past self. Ridiculous! What does that? Who would want to swap bodies with their past self? Right, here's his helmet. There's Eon's fist. And done. Lastly, here's his robe. There. That is how you draw Eon. Alexa, what is Eon?
According to Wikipedia, geological eon is a subdivision of geological time, short than a supereon and longer than an era.
There. Finally finished. Anyhow, that's how you draw Eon. I'm happy you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and walk and subscribe to my channel. I've got more characters like this on the way, and I'm still taking requests. Have a nice night.